some black girl magic. Baby hair on fleek, blue cheese on me, lot of lights on me. Black girl magic, baby hair on fleek, all these lights on me. Black girl magic, yeah, 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 yeah. Got that black girl magic.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tiyonna B. Welcome back to my channel. So if you haven't yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button because I'm going to be documenting like my whole entire journey as I start my lip gloss business. Eventually, I'm going to turn into a cosmetics line. But yeah, I'm going to be documenting everything. If you guys want to watch me build this business from the ground up, don't forget to turn on your post notifications because I'm going to try and drop these videos, like the whole entrepreneur life videos, once every 2 weeks, or if I could do once a week, like I'll do that. But I'm still in the beginning stages, like it's a whole bunch of trial and error right now because I'm still learning things. But I'm gonna try to be like the most consistent with these type of videos because I know like a lot of people are trying to start their own businesses, start lip gloss businesses. So I'm gonna be telling you guys like tips and tricks that I learned along the way. Any info that I learned, I'm gonna share with you guys as well because I've been watching a whole bunch of different types of videos from different people. I can't think of everybody's names off the top of my head, but I'm gonna put them in the description box, just different channels that I watch as I'm learning as well. So if you guys want to watch me make this clear lip gloss, then stay tuned. Okay, so today we're going to be making just basic clear lip gloss. The only reason why I'm not wearing a mask is because what I make today is going to be strictly for my personal use. I'm going to wear gloves, of course, but yeah, once I start making like the lip gloss that I'm going to actually sell, I'm definitely going to wear a mask, and I'm also not going to be like talking over like the lip gloss as I'm making it. So yeah, this is strictly for me, so I don't need anybody in the comments saying I'm not being sanitary. I'm just making lip gloss for my own personal use that I'm going to be testing out. This is going to be my second time making my clear lip gloss because I have another, a product that I ordered that's going to make it like more like shinier and like a silkier texture. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. I tried to change the setup a little bit because that first video that I uploaded, or hopefully I uploaded it, it was just too much going on in the background, like yeah. But first I'm gonna get my gloves. I've already washed my hands with antibacterial soap, and I got these gloves from Dollar Tree. It's $100 for $1. They're really thin, but I mean they do the job. So I already have my little mixing bowl here. I got this from Dollar Tree as well. It was a pack of, I think it was a pack of 3 for $1, and it comes with a little twist on lid. And I always buy the circular bowls because it's easy for me to mix the product in. And the oil that I'm going to be putting inside this lip gloss is fractionated coconut oil, castor oil, and then I don't know how to pronounce this. I think it's polyisobutene. This, I learned this is like the GOAT product. Like it makes your lip gloss really shiny. So I'm going to start by mixing all of my oils first, and then I'm going to add in my Versagel. This is like a definite must when you're making lip gloss. You need a lip gloss base, whether it's from TKD or any other place that sells it. I'm also going to add in my vanilla flavoring oil as well. So if you see me looking down, I have like a little notebook here. So I'm trying to figure out, when I made my my first batch of clear lip gloss, I only used coconut oil. So I'm trying to figure out like what measurements I want to use today. But it's really important to keep like some type of little notebook or pen and paper on the side of you once you're going through the whole trial and error phase, because you make something that's really good, you need those measurements. You want to be able to repeat that same exact consistency that you made before. Then I'm going with some castor oil as well. So with this polyisobutene or whatever it's called, I'm only going to add like a really small amount of this because like I'm only making one gloss. So this is how it looks so far. I'm really just gonna mix this up a little bit first before I add in this Versagel. Oh yeah, I forgot to add in my vanilla flavor oil. I'm just gonna add a couple drops of this. And I'm not measuring the gloss base because I kind of know the consistency that I want. So I'm just gonna add it in a little at a time. And you see how the gloss base is just kind of sitting there? It's really thick. So I'm gonna mix this together. So I'm definitely going to add in some more of the Versagel because it's way too thin. Let me just show you guys how it looks before I add in some more. That's why you can add in like a little at a time. See if that's too runny. So I'm going to add in some more. Yeah, that's way easier for me to mix up this very, very small amount of lip gloss. Even though I'm just starting off and I don't want to spend too much money buying other stuff. But if you've ever made lip gloss before, like, it's a lot of hand work. Like, I want to look on Best Buy or something and see they have some type of little affordable hand mixer. So I believe my employee discount still works. I don't know how. And I actually have on my the first batch of rose lip gloss that I made. Like it's really, really moisturized. It's just not as shiny as I want it to be, but this is how it looks. When I make like my big batch, it's not gonna be this pink though. Okay, but one little quick tip. The reason why it's so important to like test out your like lip gloss tubes before you use them, before you sell them, because I had ordered like a 30 pack of 10 milliliter lip gloss tubes from like the squeeze tubes from Amazon, just to use like for samples. But I noticed with one of them, so you guys can hear, like it has a hole. That's why it's so, that's why it looks messy around the rim, because there's like a hole in it somehow, and I really don't even know how, because this lip gloss has never left my house. It's normally on the side of my bed. So before you sell anything to any customer, make sure you're testing out for yourself, because if not, you're gonna be getting like a lot of bad reviews. One thing about these right here, it makes it so much easier to like get every single corner, well not corner because it's a circle, but it just makes it easier to move the product around. Like, look at that consistency. That's what I like to see. Okay, so I have a fresh syringe. I think I'm gonna put it in one of these little shot cups first, and then soak it up through that way. That's another random thing I bought at Dollar Tree. Am I the only one? Like when I go to Dollar Tree, like I have to go down every single aisle because I know I'm gonna find something that I want. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour this inside this little cup, just so it's gonna be easy for me to get it in the syringe. So now I'm just going to get the lip gloss out. Oh my gosh, it's so much easier. When I did it last time, I did it in the bowl, and of course I wasn't making a large amount, so it kept making like little air spaces or whatever in the syringe. Okay, so here it is. So I have my syringe, my pipette. I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna grab my scissors. The pipette, just so you don't have any like gaps when you're filling like your tube. So I'm gonna cut off a little bit at the end. Oops. And then cut off this as well. I don't know, some people tape theirs, but I'm not about to do all that for this one tube. And then probably could have made that hole a little bit bigger. Just fill that up. Once your tube is put up, what is it called, like a little stopper? I really should have changed my gloves first. Since this is only for me, it doesn't matter, but once I start making gloves for other people, I'm going to change my gloves because I don't want to get the tops of them sticky. And we have one filled gloss, clear gloss. And there you have it. One clear gloss. I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to make the clear lip gloss. All you really need is the oil and the eraser gel. This polyisobutene, hopefully I'm saying it right, is a plus. If you want your glosses to really glossy, then definitely buy this, but it's not like a need. But that's pretty much all for this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notifications. I'll be trying to drop these at least every 2 weeks, one video every 2 weeks. I'm still figuring things out, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.